In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Polaroid pictures on Canva. We're going to walk through a simple, beginner-friendly process you can follow even if you've never used Canva before. By the end, you'll have a clean Polaroid-style photo that you can download, print, or share online. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. On the home page, start by creating a new design. You can either choose a preset size, like an Instagram post or a standard photo size, or click to create a custom canvas. For a Polaroid effect, a square or slightly rectangular layout works really well because it mimics the classic instant photo style. Once your blank canvas is open, head over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side. In the search bar, type in Polaroid frame or photo frame. Canva has a lot of ready-made frames and graphics, so scroll through until you find a simple white frame that looks like a Polaroid, with a thicker border at the bottom. If you can't find a perfect one, you can use a plain rectangular frame and adjust the borders later. Drag your chosen frame onto the canvas and resize it by clicking and pulling on the corners. Leave a bit of space around it so it doesn't touch the edges of your design. If you want it to look more realistic, you can tilt it slightly by using the rotate handle. You can even duplicate the frame if you plan to make a collage of multiple Polaroids in one design. Next, it's time to add your photo. Click on the Uploads tab, then upload the picture you want to use. When the upload finishes, drag your image directly into the Polaroid frame. It should automatically snap into place. If it doesn't fit perfectly, double-click the photo inside the frame so you can reposition or zoom until the subject is centered nicely. Now, customize the Polaroid look. You can change the background color of the overall canvas to something neutral, like a soft beige or light gray, to help the white frame stand out. If the frame itself is a graphic rather than a photo frame element, you can adjust its color and add a slight shadow for more depth. To do that, click on the frame, select Edit or the Shadows option, and choose a subtle drop shadow. If you want to make it feel like a real instant photo, add a short caption on the thicker bottom part of the frame. Go to the text menu, choose a small, simple font, and type something like a date, place, or a short title. Keep it minimal so it still looks like a classic Polaroid. When you're happy with the layout, double-check everything: the alignment of your photo, the spacing around the frame, and the readability of your text. Tiny adjustments here can make a big difference to how polished it looks. Finally, click the Download button in the top right corner. Choose a high-quality format like PNG or JPG, then download your finished design. You can print it on photo paper, add it to a digital scrapbook, or share it on social media. And that's how you create Polaroid-style pictures in Canva, quickly and easily.